Hey everyone, Baby Doge keeps on dropping real truths. Today we are talking about PalmFun, the official meme coin launchpad built for Baby Doge and communities. PalmFun lets anyone launch their own meme token in seconds on BNB chain. Built-in tools like Baby Doge AI chat for ideas, fair launches, and instant trading on Baby Doge Swap. Whether you are a new creator wanting to launch your own coin or a trader hunt fresh gems, PuppyFun makes it easier and fair, all while supporting the Baby Doge ecosystem and helping save more dogs through the mission.